You know what we can do? I was watching a student do this, and it gave me an idea. They held up both their hands, and guess what they did? They wiggled the same finger numbers at the same time. Do you know that can be... Yeah, we're going to do that in a minute, in less than a minute. Can you wiggle at the same time finger number 1, which would be what? Your thumbs? Can you wiggle both thumbs? Excellent. Can you wiggle finger number 2? Both 2s. Wonderful. How about finger number 5? All right, one more. How about finger number 4? Excellent. Very good. Okay, now what I want to do today is go back to some high and low sounds and make the rainbow movements. Can you show me in the air with your hand, with your right hand, what a rainbow looks like? Does it look like this? Does it have a curve? Yeah, we'll get to that in a minute. Let's see, let's take the right hand. I'm going to use middle C today. Thank you for picking it out. How does middle C look? How would you describe it? Is it near the what? The little house? Remember we talked about the little house? Right, it's to the left side of the what? Twin black. No, are these twins? Yes. Good. Okay, let's take finger number 3 of your right hand and want to relax your feet.
Right in the middle.
Yes, exactly. What we're going to do is we're going to come from your lap very gracefully like a weeping willow tree and come down. Oh, not so high. Just about here. Finger number 3. Can you put that back in your lap now? Come gracefully up like a weeping willow tree and come, yeah. So you don't want to push your arm down.
Yes, you don't want to go like that.
Can you watch me? Okay, so I'm imagining I'm a very relaxed weeping willow tree. And I make believe I'm at the bench. Look what I do. Look what I have to do to be really relaxed. Look. See that?
Yes.
Very
you
graceful.
don't go like
yeah, but look at my wrist. It's very loose and flowing, and then it comes down like that.
You don't go like that.
Right, you don't poke the notes.
Yeah.
Exactly right. So let's try that again. You have your hand in your lap, and your weeping willow branch is coming up gently, and your wrist is nice and loose, and you fall down gracefully. Try it again. And just let it go gracefully. That was excellent. That was a beautiful sound, and your arm is so relaxed. Just let it fall. Wow, that was good. Now I want you to, that's excellent. I want you to use finger number 3 for how many C's? This C. Then I want you to go like a rainbow to this C and a rainbow movement to this. A rainbow movement is like this. Look at the picture of the rainbow. It goes from what? Cloud to cloud. Let's trace the path of the rainbow. Here's finger number 3. Let's trace it. Does it go up and around like that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go backwards. Let's go backwards. Let's go this way from this cloud that way. Now I want you to imagine from, right. I want you to imagine that from this C to this C is a little rainbow and another little rainbow. See what I'm doing? And another one. Can you do that with finger number 3? Of your right hand. That would be good. So you have that one. Good. Ooh, that's a nice motion. Let's do it together. You have this one. Wrist up and down. Wrist up and down. Wrist up and down. Very good. Yeah, so you just lean a little bit, and if you sit kind of straight, you won't kind of fall off. But if you get kind of slumpy, you'll probably get all crunched up. Okay, let's do the left.
What is this?
Well, in a minute, I'll show you. I'm going to show you something with that in a second. Okay, now I want to take this. You got to relax your feet, though. Because you know what happens? Your feet takes energy from what?
Like if you do like this, you see you can't like play the piano like this, you see?
Right, it takes your energy away from your arms and wrists and fingers.
You go like this, you see? You don't go like this, you see? You go.
Exactly right. Okay, now remember, going from your lap to the key is a very, very graceful motion. It's like a weeping willow tree. This is very, very relaxed. So let's see if you can relax. Come up with it. Let your, you don't need to force it. Just let it go. Now come down. Nice. Let's make the little motion of the rainbow. And another one. Is it getting lower or higher? Are the notes getting?
Lower.
Yes.